Good morning students. This class we are going to learn about orthocenter of a triangle. Construction of orthocenter of a triangle. First of all, I will explain the orthocenter definition. Listen it. Orthocenter is the point of congruency of the altitudes of a triangle. Point of congruency of the altitudes of a triangle. Altitudes is, consider ABC. Draw the altitude line opposite of the points. Okay. C point opposite side is AB. So here you draw the altitude lines. And A's opposite side is BC. So here you draw the altitude line. The two altitude meet at H. Okay, orthocenter denoted by H. So the orthocenter is the point of congruency of the altitudes of a triangle. In the center, we use the midpoint and draw the line. But here, we use the perpendicular line. That is the altitude line. Okay. So, we use the altitude. That altitude lines meet at H. This is the orthocenter of the triangle. Listen example 4.13. Construct triangle PQR whose sides are PQ 6 cm, angle Q 60 degree and QR 7 cm and locate its orthocenter. Solution is write the given values. PQ 6 cm, angle Q 60 degree and QR 7 cm. Construction is first you draw the rough diagram. Then step 2. Draw triangle PQR using the given measurements. Step 3. Construct altitudes from any two vertices R and P to their opposite sides PQ and QR respectively. Step 4. Draw altitude lines. Step 5. Join the altitude lines. That lines meet at H. So, step 6 is H is the orthocenter of the given triangle PQR. Using the given measurement and draw the rough diagram. Baseline PQ 6 cm and QR is 7 cm. Angle Q is 60 degree. First you complete the baseline. Baseline is PQ 6 cm. Okay, using the scale and draw PQ 6 cm. Zero to 6. Label the points P and Q. P and Q. This one is 6 cm. Next you complete angle Q is 60 degree. Okay, using the protractor. Keep the protractor on the point Q. The line segment and the protractor base lines are coincide at the 0 degree. Okay. Now you take the measure right to left or left to right. Many of the students confusing for this one. So listen carefully. Angle Q is 60 degree. See the line segment. Line segment is left side of Q point. Line segment is left side of the Q point. So, left side to you start the counting. Don't forget, left side to you start the counting. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Mark the point. We use these 2 points and extend the line. Next you take 7 cm using the compass. Take 7 cm. This one 7 cm measure. Take it and Q as the center. Draw an arc of radius 7 cm. Okay. So the arc and the line are intersecting at R point. This point name is R. Now you join PR. So we get the triangle. Okay. So join P and R. We get the triangle PQR. So this one is angle 60 degree. This measure is 7 centimeter. Next, R as the center. Draw 2 arcs on the line PQ. Okay, R as the center. Draw 2 arcs on the line segment PQ. So you draw right side 1 arc and left side 1 arc. Right and left. Okay. So mark the point. Again we use the same arcs. Reuse these 2 arcs. Draw one more arc in the down of the line segment. Okay. Line segment below you draw 1 arc. Any of the measure. And so this side arc also we use and draw one more arc. The 2 arcs are intersecting. Note that point. Okay. Now you join this point and R. This is the altitude line. This is one of the altitude line. Again one more altitude we find out using this P point. Now P as the center. Draw 2 arcs on the line segment RQ. No measure. Okay. Simply we use the compass and draw 2 arcs. The 2 arcs should cut the line segment at 2 points. So right and left side you draw 2 arcs. The 2 arcs are intersecting the line segment at 2 points. You note the point. Use this arc and draw one more arc on the line segment down. So below of the line segment you draw the arc. The 2 arcs are intersecting. Note that point. Join P and that intersecting point. This is the another one altitude line. So the 2 altitude lines meet at H. This is the orthocenter of the triangle PQR. Okay, H is the orthocenter of the triangle PQR. This like you complete one more question. Exercise 4.5, 6th question. Draw an equilateral triangle of sides 6.5 cm and locate its orthocenter. Listen, equilateral triangle. What's the definition of equilateral triangle? All the sides are equal. Okay. So, we take that triangle as ABC. AB, BC and AC. All the values are equal because the triangle is equilateral triangle. So, we take all the sides value is 6.5 centimeter. So, we use this measure, draw the triangle and find out the orthocenter of the triangle. Now, listen the construction. First, you draw a rough diagram. Step 2, draw triangle ABC using the given measurements. Step 3, construct altitudes from any 2 vertex, say A and C, to their opposite sides BC and AB respectively. Step 4, draw altitude lines. Step 5, altitudes line meet at H. Step 6, the meeting point H is the orthocenter of the given triangle. Now listen the diagram. Draw rough diagram first using the measurement. AB 6.5 centimeter, BC 6.5 centimeter and AC also 6.5 centimeter. Now first we complete the base line 6.5 centimeter. This line segment first you complete it. So draw the line segment AB 6.5 centimeter. AB. Label the letters A, B 6.5 centimeter. Using the compass, take 6.5 centimeter. A as the center, draw an arc of radius 6.5 centimeter. Again B as the center, don't change the measure, okay. Keep the compass, the same measure. Again, draw one more arc. The two arcs are intersecting at C point. Intersecting at C point. So, now you join A and C, B and C. Join AC and BC. Write 6.5 centimeter. This side also you write 6.5 centimeter. Now you draw the altitude lines. Use any two side. I will take A and C. Okay. So A opposite side is BC. Here you draw the altitude line. And the C opposite side is AB. So we draw the altitude line here. So that two altitude lines meet at H. Okay. Now I will draw the altitude line using the point A. So any one of the measure you take, draw two arcs. Right and left side of the line segment BC. BC, okay. So the arc intersecting the line segment at 2 points. Note that point. And that point is the center. The intersecting point is the center. Draw one more arc. The line segment below. Again, this side also we keep the compass. Draw one more arc. So the two arcs are intersecting. Join A and that intersecting point. Draw one line. Similarly, we find out again one more altitude line using the point C. C as the center. Draw arc using the line segment AB. Note that point. Again, we use the compass. Draw the arc below of the line segment. Here also we keep the compass. Draw arc. So the two arcs are intersecting. Sometimes it does not intersect, then you adjust and draw. Extend the arc line, okay. Now the arcs are intersecting. Note the point. And C2, we draw one altitude line. So the two lines are intersecting at H. So this lines are altitude line. These two altitude lines are intersecting at H. This H is the orthocenter of the triangle ABC. This is the diagram. Thank you, students.